up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. We're gonna talk about when should I change the wiper blades on my vehicle. Man, recommend to say every 6 to 12 months. You know, 6 months is like the cheap wiper blades. You know what I'm saying? Wiper blade costs about, you probably looking at like 10 to 13 bucks, you know? And then you got the expensive wiper blades like $60. Me personally, that's a small investment into your car, because your car is an investment. So, me personally, I wind up getting the $60 wiper blades just because it's a small investment, and I want the car, when I'm driving down the road and it's raining, I want the best visibility possible while I'm driving down the road while it's raining, because I'm like, dang, it's raining outside. I can't do that. Can't do it. So, you know, with that said, get the best ones. Get the best ones to maximize when it's raining for your wipers, for your windshield wiper. Because, you know, if you get the cheap ones, they may work, they may not work to the best of your performance. Because, you know, they cheap, so why should I work? But anyway, so there are different types of wiper blades that people buy. You know, me personally, like I said, I buy Rain-X. I don't know any other wiper blades. You know, you got AutoZone, you got Napa, you know, you got those who have their own brand of wiper blades and stuff like that. But yeah, me personally, I just use some Rain-X wiper blades and call it a day. They last for about a year for me, and then I just go out and buy them another one. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Auto Speed family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.